For those of you who don't like mixing ogbono and okra soup together, here is what you are missing. I wonder what you are thinking, but let me tell you guys, you are missing a lot. So let me take you through the process so that you can give it a trial. So first of all, you have to preheat your red oil and go in with your blended ogbono. You can just use a little, for starters, just use a little of the ogbono. And let me tell you, this method of frying ogbono will help your ogbono to not to develop lumps. If you are already preparing ogbono soup, I noticed that it's always develop lump. This is how to do it. Just fry it. So after frying, I went in with the proteins of my choice. You can go in with the protein of your choice, your stockfish, your catfish, whatever you want to use. Here is the right time to add it. After frying the ogbono, you go in with the protein and then finally water. At this point, you just have to stir it properly and cook on low heat. Don't cover the pot, let it cook until it is well thickened. At this point, as you can see, it is watery, but by the time I let it cook, it becomes very thick. So this is how it looks after I have cooked it for some period. Now ogbono is well cooked on low heat, please, because when you cook it on high heat, it tends to burn at the bottom. So you have to stir it properly, as I'm doing here. You stir while it's cooked. You keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. So finally, I added my crayfish and my blended okpeyi. You all know what okpeyi is. If you don't know, you can ask me in the comment section. So I added my seasoning cube and some salt, just a little salt. When you are cooking ogbono soup, you have to be very, very careful with salt, because a slight increase or too much of salt will make the ogbono to become too salty, because as time goes on, the ogbono tends to bring out its own salt. So you mix everything well, not just ogbono but with okra. The same thing is applicable with these two ingredients. So at this point, I added my okra, my grated okra. You can grate or you can slice. Mix everything well, and finally our ogbono soup is about to get ready. Guys, do you see what you are missing? Can you see what you are missing? This soup is very, very delicious. The thickness, the taste and everything is top notch. So at this point, I added my dried vegetable. Because of where I am, fresh vegetable is not always accessible, so I'm using a dried vegetable. So it is more very, very advisable to use a fresh one, or you can better still enjoy your soup like that. Most of the times I enjoy my soup like that when I don't have access to even the dry one. So can you see, guys, I can't stop stirring this soup because the sight of it is building my confidence. Can you see what I just prepared in less than an hour? So finally, our soup is ready, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned on my channel. See you next time. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.